Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fludis. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fludis. Following that, you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it, and if you want to mute the music right away, by tapping on the bottom left corner. Then click on this gear at the top left one. Choose I accept in first things first pop-up and check out all of those options. When you finish, you can tap on the top right corner and bottom right corner. Finally, tap on Set as Live Wallpaper. Choose Apply and decide if you wish to apply it or home screen and lock screen. So when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!